How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm working on the Polo. My distributor plug literally snapped off on me yesterday, and this is what it looks like. So the 3 wires going to the distributor snapped off nice and clean. Couldn't really do anything about it. So luckily I managed to find this new wiring loom from Goldwagen. This is for the distributor, and I'm guessing this is a ground and whatever else these two are. So I'm going to attempt to replace this wiring loom right here, and this is a WEG pod. Not sure if the pod number is there. And if you're looking for it at Goldwagen, the pod number is A3313. So yeah, this is it. So here we are, guys. Basically these are the 3 wires that came out. So I will be tracing the loom down here all the way to the plug. Hopefully I find the plug. If I don't, which means I would have to cut out the plug on this new harness and solder it to this, but to be honest, I prefer to just change the whole loom if I can. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I have concluded I will not be installing the full loom. So what I did was I cut off the wires towards the end where the plug is, which is this one right here. Right, and I have attached these and soldered them and heat shrink them according to how they sit here, and that plug should be good to go. And I will just tape this up. Right now I've got all of it wire repair covering loom, and I will basically follow through, patch up all the wires, because I opened every single way where I could open to follow up and trace the wires, and it looks like those 3 wires are coming from the ECU. So when you trace it, you see there's nowhere where you can basically plug that loom right there. So that's okay. I just snipped it and attached it. Now I'm just gonna make everything look good and put it back together basically, and our problem should be solved. Okay guys, I am done. Finally wrapped it up. All the wiring is in, it's back, it's secured, it's covered, it's taped up. No exposed wires. Everything's looking good. We're officially ready to pop the battery back in and give it a start. I can't Okay, let's see if we start. So as you guys can see, she is driving. So we're gonna quickly take a test drive to the garage. Need to get one of the wheels pumped up. It's a bit low on tire pressure. Wow guys, it releases even before I take the whole pedal out. It's like a quarter way out and it's already moving, which is good. Which is amazing. Yeah. That was close. Okay guys, so we're not gonna be hammering it because it's still under the braking in period. So we're just gonna take it easy. nasty. The car drives nice. Everything here was sorted. Clutch is okay. Now we're gonna move on to more projects.
Everybody will be dancing and feeling alright. Everybody will be doing it right. Everybody will be